Hi there. This is Ems again. Welcome back. I'm back on my prepping and cooking. This is Rich on Less channel. If you are new, hi, hello. Anyway, before I went out today and buy something what to cook, I was thinking this grilling, maybe a pork chop. But before I went out, I had to look online where are the best deal to get the meat. And actually, I decided to go to Wendexy. They have buy one get one, so I did 2 pounds for $10. Now I'm all preparing the ingredients for the pork shoulder steak for the barbecue. I usually don't measure anything. I only just have a look and estimate it. If I like it, I'll cook it, but I don't have a recipe. If it tastes good, then okay, I'll be happy. I like to put lime juice to the meat to tenderize, and also it tastes very nice. So now I'm gonna put all the ingredients together. Soy sauce. Next is black pepper. Paprika. Again, I don't measure anything. I only just estimate it. Ground cumin. Chili powder. Dried thyme. Fennel seeds. Coriander. It's a ground coriander. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's all I measure. Then mix it all until it's all together in that meat. I'm gonna boil this collard green and shred this fresh corn for dinner. And some of it I'm gonna keep it to the freezer for next time. Start cooking. So let's gonna preheat this Ninja grill. I like this one. We love this one so much. It's portable. Now it's for the meat. What we're looking for. 375, preheat for 7 minutes. So let's turn this on. 375, so it should be like there. One line before 400. And it's gonna be 7 minutes. Preheat. Alright, let's preheat it. It's a beautiful day. I was going to do it on the grill. Charcoal, it tastes better the food when you cook it in the charcoal, as we all know, but I'm become lazy today. Here's my angel companion. So while I'm waiting for the grill to be preheat, I am doing on the other side with fresh shredded corn and a hot water, boiling water, this collard green. Oh, right. So what I do, put some oil in it so it's not hard to clean up later. The griddle, I put grapeseed oil. It's very good oil. It can tolerate high heat. So this is good for it. Make it easy. Alright. Now I'm gonna put the meat on. Yes, it's already marinated for like 2 hours. Now we're gonna do it like 6 minutes each side. Since it says for the meat 15 to 25 minutes. So let's do that 6 minutes each side. Yay! I flipped it over and that's what it is. Wow! It looks yummy! So I made my own braising sauce. Again, it's a soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. I'm gonna put it on top of this. Brush it on. See. I think they are ready. Okay, so let's take it out. Look at that. Super yummy. Ooh. No, I don't want to waste anything. Now I'm going to season the collard green that I boiled earlier. This is my finished product. Ooh, let's dig in.